Executing large-scale signage installations can be complex and time-consuming. Every new project has its unique challenges, and manual verification, especially for compliance management, can lead to costly delays. ViXR Engage's AI-powered implementation module streamlines the entire process, guiding teams, tracking progress in real time, and ensuring compliance with project requirements. Once the estimation is complete, the implementation module takes over, directing teams to their installation sites with mapped coordinates. Auditors can easily navigate large facilities, ensuring no time is wasted searching for the correct locations. In the ViXR app, every installation procedure is structured with checklists and predefined tasks, ensuring nothing is overlooked. As installations continue, auditors can capture photos and verify the accuracy of signage placement. Our detailed verification ensures that size, material, and mounting details meet compliance standards. ViXR synchronizes updates across teams and devices with clear progress insights. Whether an installation is pending review, flagged for verification, or fully completed. Once the signage is in place, ViXR automatically compiles a detailed implementation report, including photos, materials used, compliance confirmations, and project completion details. ViXR ensures full transparency for audits, approvals, and future reference, making project handovers seamless. From efficient navigation and real-time updates to AI-powered compliance verification and comprehensive reporting, ViXR Engage, smarter installations, zero hassle.